Okay. Start talking. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's midday. Me and my brother are here.
And she's going to be joining me in Build a Boat for Treasure.
If you don't know what Roblox is, you should really download it, and it's called Roblox.
And if you don't have it, you should work. Then I don't know what to tell you.
Sometimes it just doesn't pop up on your phone.
Depends if you spell it right with the X or K or something.
Starts with A.
No, it doesn't. It starts with the ROBLOX.
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah,
I remember.
And I am on the pink team. What team are you on?
White. Okay. She's
So
going to join me.
What? Dude.
Yes. Okay, well, I'll be on my boat.
And then he's going to get my boat out for me because I have no idea how. So, Ryder, let me just get down to the water. And if you get in the water, you die. Wait, hold on. Wait, are they looking at my screen?
What?
Are they looking at my screen? Yes. So, guys, this is my brother's boat. My brother is getting out my boat right now.
Ham? This is his boat. Well, this is my boat. Alright, let me get her boat.
Yep. What the?
Alright, hers is called Cool. Oh, there it is. Look at her sign. It says, everyone come to the very, very cool boat. She made me put that on there. Okay. Oh, your sign fell on my boat. Nice. I'm gonna start going crazy. Am I pushing you?
Yes.
Yes, I am.
Ryder, stop!
I can't help it. I'm going crazy.
No, we're on the land, dummy.
No, we're not.
Well, you
I'm
are.
pushing you. What the?
Ryder! Hold on, guys. My brother's being dumb.
I know how to get back on the water. Okay, there we go.
We're not, and you need to leave me so I can control my own boat.
Okay, here. Let me see it real quick.
Guys, my brother's being...
I'm trying to make you. Oh, hi, people.
Hold on, guys. Sorry.
Yeah. Okay.
Hold on, guys. No.
Sorry, guys. She is stuck to my boat.
And now
just get out of your seat.
Sorry that I look very
die.
ugly, and I can't Ryder because...
Just walk into. Press the button. Alright, just die.
And now I'm never gonna get a chest, and yeah.
Okay, guys. We're gonna see my. Y'all are gonna be able to see my boat that sucks. Like, guys, look. It freaking sucks. Sorry if y'all can't see that word. We'll say that word.
Yeah, we aren't allowed to say it, but we just can't help it.
True. True or false? What the heck is?
Where
the heck's my engine?
We can't.
I need my boat engine. I don't know where it is though.
It's my stupid block. I'm building it. Dumb boat.
There it is. You're gonna build yours?
Well, can't you see it?
Come get mine.
No. I'm trying to build one instead.
Yes. Save. Yes. Okay, I'm about to press the go button. About to press the go button. I'm gonna open my chest. Ooh, la la. You ready?
Hold on, let me get on your boat.
You're gonna get on mine?
Sure.
And then I'll get on yours.
Boy, you can't. I'm not really want to get on this. I said it when I die.
Let's go! What the heck?
Sucks.
Whee!
Actually, it works pretty great.
Yeah, you can actually turn it. Alright, guys. The only reason why I put these motors on so like we can dodge the rocks, but that never works. Literally never. Okay. Okay, let's see if I can do it. Oh no, I might not be able to dodge it, Braylon.
Well, we might stay alive for a long time.
No! Dodge it! Let me dodge it.
We're not dodging anything, dummy. We're about to hit. We aren't even hitting anything, dummy. But we are about to. Right here.
Oh, dang. Unless it hits the wood, we're good. If it doesn't hit, if it hits the red stuff, then we might die. Oh, that hit the red stuff, but no! This one's going to be impossible to dodge.
Guys,
Oh, no!
Stay alive for a long time.
Yeah, we're not going to be able to do that. No, Brian? Watch. Jump. Get on the island.
Jump.
Jump into the island. Good job. Oh, no. Alright, where are you? Hi, boat. You're stuck. My boat is stuck. Alright, Berlin, we're just going to keep on walking the trail, okay? No! Oh, that was close. Okay, good. There's room for us to get through here.
I know. Oh, guys, I must walk through.
Whose boat is this? I found someone's random boat, and I guess they died.
And it sucks. But how are we gonna get through here?
You'll see. Oh, no! Stop it! Do not jump in the water, Berlin.
Why?
Unless you want to die. Like me. What about boat? Is it still stuck?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it is. Come on! And a hand. Alright, tell them to look at my shirt. Hey guys, just look at my shirt and look at it. It's awesome. Alright. Woo! Alright, alright, how do you do it? Oh, there's a line right here. Okay.
Guys,
you have to be careful.
Obby right now.
Alright, you have to jump in the water and keep on jumping and then get on the other island.
I can't get through.
Good job. Alright, dang, why is this? It's just the same one, literally. How did you die more than me? Hey, get out of my way. Hey. I'm just gonna jump in the water for fun. Guys, if you see me jump in the water, I'm just doing it for fun. Dope. Should I do it? Oh, dang. Should I do it, Braylon?
Sure.
Okay. I'm gonna do it.
They did not watch you. You're almost dead.
Oh no, I have to save my life before we go on this other one. Alright, guys, we're just gonna wait here for a minute. Oh, my boat! The boat finally came back! Jump on it! Kidding.
I'm down. Everyone, we just died.
Not expecting to die, though.
And I cannot get into us.
Alright, come on, let's go. Wait, how much? Yeah, you can.
I want to open it.
You're 27.
Guys, you know what?
You can buy this one. Alright.
I know,
Oh,
yeah.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
You can buy another one. You can buy this one several times.
I already have this.
Buy it again.
Oh,
I don't think you actually have that. I'm not sure.
I do not.
Oh, whoever this is, just join our team.
Okay.
Her name is Rainbow Mini 19. Nice.
Okay.
What's up, Rainbow Mini 19?
Get away from her.
Alright, Berlin, are you gonna get on? Oh yeah, I'm gonna get on your boat. And see, so I can spawn a boat.
I'm driving.
Okay. Cool. Yes.
How long do you plan on staying at your grandma's for? Ever? It's a long time.